So many people struggle to tell the difference between second degree type 1 and second degree type 2 AV blocks. But there is a super easy cheat way, and it works 100% of the time, every time. So let's talk about it. The first step is to find your non-conducted P wave, or what is referred to as a dropped beat. Once you have that, then you look at the PR interval after and the PR interval before. If there are two different measurements, it's always second degree type 1. If the PR interval after and the PR interval before the non-conducted P wave are the same exact measurement, then it is always second degree type 2. Now let's look at a couple of more examples. Here is another example of Mobitz 1 or second degree type 1. Here is your non-conducted P wave, and if you look at the PR interval after and the PR interval before, there are two different measurements. So this is second degree type 1. Now let's look at this one. Here is your non-conducted P wave. And if you look at the PR interval after and the PR interval before, you see that they're the same exact measurement. And for that reason, this is another example of Mobitz 2 or second degree type 2. And finally, one last example. Here is a rhythm with two non-conducted P waves. So that automatically rules out second degree type 1. Remember, one of the rules of second degree type 1 is that you cannot have more than one non-conducted P wave. So, doesn't matter. I'm going to find one of my non-conducted P waves though, and I'm going to look at the PR interval after and the PR interval before. And as you can see, again, they're the same exact measurement. And for this reason, again, this is going to be a Mobitz 2. Hope you find that helpful. My name is Ali, and this has been another lesson by The Hardest.